Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock Filter in Excel so you can easily sort and analyze your data without any hassle. Step 1. Open your Excel file and go to the worksheet where the filter option isn't working. You'll usually notice this when the filter arrows are missing or appear grayed out. Step 2. Click on the Review tab at the top of your screen. This tab contains all the protection settings related to your worksheet. Step 3. Now click on the Unprotect Sheet button in the Review tab. If the sheet is password protected, enter the correct password to proceed. Step 4. Once the sheet is unprotected, select the header row of your table. This is usually the row where your column titles are placed. Step 5. Now go to the Data tab in the ribbon menu at the top. Click on the Filter button, and this will enable drop-down arrows on each column in the header row. And that's it! Filters are now unlocked and ready to use, so you can filter your data just the way you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and useful tech tutorials.